Congress protests in the national capital. Youth Congress protests have erupted in Delhi. So this is in the aftermath of the Lakhimpur Kheri clash. Congress workers are now protesting in the national capital. Youth Congress members are out on the streets protesting in Delhi. Well, those are the pictures on your screens, viewers. What we are showing you right now is the level and extent of protest that is happening in the capital city. These are Congress workers who are out on the street protesting the violence in Lakhimpur Kheri, following which several Congress leaders were in fact restrained from arriving at Lakhimpur Kheri. It includes Chief Minister of Chhattisgarh, Bhupesh Baghel, and Deputy CM of Punjab, Mr. Randhawa. They were not allowed to land in Lucknow. Priyanka Gandhi also not allowed to access Lakhimpur Kheri. The reason that was given by the BJP government in UP is that it could foment further trouble. Siddharth Nath Singh, minister in the UP government, says that at the moment the responsibility to maintain law and order remains with the state government and they cannot allow politicization of the violence. Let's in fact also show you pictures from Punjab where Navjot Singh Sidhu is participating in the protest, leading the protests there. More pictures coming in from multiple locations. In fact, farmer union groups had urged protesters to gather outside all DM offices across India and raise protests. So that is from the farmer union side. But this time what we are showing you are the protests taking place. Protests being led by the Congress workers in Delhi on one side and also in Punjab, where Navjot Singh Sidhu there on your frames right now, where he is addressing the gathering. You can see an aggressive, agitated Navjot Singh Sidhu speaking to the supporters, raising the issue of the violence in Lakhimpur Kheri. In Delhi again, Youth Congress workers are staging a sit-in dharna. There are women protesters there as well, all gathered on the streets of Delhi raising slogans against the UP government and against the violence that broke out in Lakhimpur Kheri that killed 4 farmers. The details that we have. Okay, let's first listen in to what Navjot Sidhu is saying at the moment.
कातिल सरकार मुर्दाबाद कातिल सरकार मुर्दाबाद कातिल सरकार मुर्दाबाद अहंकारी सरकार मुर्दाबाद अहंकारी सरकार मुर्दाबाद अहंकारी सरकार किसान मजदूर एकता जिंदाबाद मजदूर एकता जिंदाबाद किसान मजदूर एकता जिंदाबाद अहंकारी सरकार मुर्दाबाद अहंकारी सरकार मुर्दाबाद एक ही होया मोदी होया एक ही होया मोदी होया
Alok is with us live. Alok, can you talk us through the pictures that we are getting from New Delhi? What is the scale of the protest that we are talking about and who all are participating in it?
Well, Congress leaders, those who are basically related to Delhi's Congress unit, they had scheduled their protest in the afternoon around 12, now 12:30. They have already arrived near Uttar Pradesh Bhavan. They were supposed to protest outside the Chanakyapuri's Uttar Pradesh Bhavan. And at Sardar Patel Marg, they are being now stopped by the police. What the visuals which we are showing and to our viewers, it's near Sardar Patel Marg road where these protesters who reached, Congress protesters who reached over there, they wanted to protest against the violence that happened yesterday. Remember, the Congress leaders are also stopped reaching to Lakhimpur Kheri. They were restricted to meet to the family members of the farmers family member who lost their lives. So this is what now what we are learning. Police has been deployed in that particular area. A lot of police personnel, paramilitary force is also deployed in that particular area because Uttar Pradesh Bhavan is located in Chanakyapuri area, which is Lutyens Delhi of the national capital and very sensitive area. So police is already deployed. Section 144 has also been deployed outside. So definitely, if they try to march towards, then definitely what we are learning from our police sources, that they will also be detained. Back to you.
The other big update, Alok, which we were reporting on just a short while ago, is of MOS Home coming out with a statement, a detailed statement on how he or his son were not even present there. Can you take us through the inputs that we have on that, please?
Well, Seher, Afrida, I beg your pardon. Well, there are various versions that are coming. And in fact, the people, those who were there, in the farmers who in fact witnessed the whole violence and incident, they in fact claimed that they saw Ajay Mishra's son, Ashish Mishra. He was opening the fire at the farmers. This is what the claims are. We have to wait that once the police start their investigation, they will definitely take their statement as well, record their statement as well. But as far as the claims from the minister's side is concerned, he is, yes, definitely, because he is becoming an accused, definitely he will try to save his son. But if you see that if the convoy was going and the driver, which is now deceased, who is now killed, if he is the driver of their convoy, then definitely we cannot rule out the possibility of the presence of his son at the spot. So right now, we have to wait for the investigation to be concluded, to be conducted. But definitely, the versions are coming from both the sides. Back to you.
Okay, let's listen in to Navjot Singh Sidhu speaking in Chandigarh.
कार में आके अपनी गाड़ियां चढ़ा के किसानों की जिंदगी ली, एक पीसफुल सत्याग्रह को बारंबार डिसरप्ट करने की कोशिश की, उन्हें अरेस्ट किया जाए और खट्टर की इस अहंकारी स्टेटमेंट, खट्टर साहब आपकी स्टेटमेंट अहंकारी है, उस स्टेटमेंट के खिलाफ देशद्रोह का पर्चा दर्ज किया जाए। पैगंबरों ने ये कृत हमें दी, किसानी बाबा नानक ने किसानी हमें सौंपी। नाम ही खो देंगे तो किधर जाएंगे, और पहचान खो देंगे तो बिखर जाएंगे। आखिरी दम तक लड़ेंगे, आखिरी श्वास तक लड़ेंगे, और जब तक जिंदा हैं काले कानून पंजाब में लागू नहीं होने देंगे। सिद्धू तेरी सोच है, सिद्धू तेरी सोच है।
Navjot Singh Sidhu pledging his full support to the farmers, saying he will fight till the end. Let's take a short break here. News and updates continue on the other side. We continue tracking the big developments on the protests that have erupted today.